Flying 737 locked, I think. SPLLE Polish Airlines with a weird. Did you hear that noise?
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
That didn't sound right.
No, I didn't. It's a bit rowdy.
There's a very strange noise coming from that plane.
Yeah, what's that noise? It sounded like...
Sounded like something in the engine was rattling.
Yeah.
That was
APU symbols made that funny noise.
That didn't sound right. It sounded like something in a tumble drive.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was
Something
thinking.
rattling in an engine.
He's
Yeah.
down alright.
Well, he's landed and he hasn't blown up, but 8:31:40 seconds. That didn't sound right.
Stop recording and bang, it blows up.
There's